Hi, my name is Alan Robinson. I'm a comic book artist and I'm going to show you why this Clip Studio Tabmate is an awesome tool. The good friends of Graphicsly sent me this Tabmate. This is a control specifically designed to use on Clip Studio Paint, and as I use this software to draw my comics, I gave it a try. The control uses one AA battery that is included in the package. It has a really ergonomic design and has 12 customizable buttons and a wheel that is also customizable. You need to configure it in Clip Studio Paint, and you can assign any key, tool or command to the buttons. The Tabmate is designed for use on Windows, Mac and Android. It connects to devices via Bluetooth, and it's very helpful if you're an artist who draws several hours every day. I've been using mine for several months now, and I have to say this is the best drawing handheld I've used so far. It's very light, very comfortable and helpful. I use it with my Windows PC and with my Android tablet, and it works really well on both devices. If you want to know more about the Tabmate and other Clip Studio products, go to graphicsly.com.